How to disable Samsung Free on the home page of Samsung devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically go ahead and disable your Samsung Free news like this that you get on your Samsung by default. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are a Samsung user and then you basically have this Samsung Free, which is on the left hand side, if you swipe them, then you'll be able to find this news, which isn't really quite interesting sometimes. What do if you want to go ahead and then remove this? It is very simple to remove it. All you have to do is simply long press on the empty home screen here. Once you long press on an empty space on home screen, you just swipe left. Right here you get the Samsung Free, and then all you have to do is just switch this toggle off. And when you tap on that toggle and turn it off, you can see even if I swipe right now, I don't have the Samsung internet news. This way I can go ahead and then disable the news of my Samsung home screen, which is a Samsung Free. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.